Now we're ready to move on to the final element of an injury and illness protection plan. We have to recognize that a successful I2P2 isn't static. It's a dynamic process requiring continuous evaluation and improvement. It's that loop I talked about earlier on. What first? Well, establish a system for continuous monitoring. That includes setting specific targets, developing robust reporting and tracking procedures. Evaluate the program against these targets. When you do this, you'll want to make use of both leading and lagging indicators to gauge your program's effectiveness. What are these? Well, lagging indicators tell us about incidents that have already occurred, like the number and severity of injuries and illnesses. But leading indicators are going to give us additional insight into how proactive our safety efforts are in preventing future incidents, like the level of worker participation or the number of safety suggestions implemented. It's also important that we collect regular feedback from employees about the program's effectiveness and any areas for improvement. That qualitative feedback from workers is going to help us catch anything that all the other metrics might have missed. So our target set, our performance data is in hand. We can now critically assess whether we're meeting our program goals. If we're meeting or, heck, even exceeding our goals, great. But if we find shortcomings, here's what you need to ask. Has the program been properly implemented? If not, we should take corrective action immediately. But look, if the program is being implemented as it was intended, but it still falls short of our goals, then we need to review and adjust our selected controls. The program then needs to evolve to reflect changes in our workplace, our workforce, and industry standards. That means we update the program to address new challenges, new technologies, additional feedback from the team, more insights, right? Regular updates will ensure that our program remains relevant, effective, and aligned with our commitment to workplace safety. So through continuous evaluation and improvement, our I2P2 program isn't just a set of guidelines. It becomes a living, breathing part of our organizational culture, and it drives us toward a safer and healthier workplace for everybody.